Okay, so finally we all have completed 1 year of preparation. For many students it was second attempt, it is second attempt, so 2 years of preparation. For many it is third attempt, so 3 years of preparation. Okay, so successfully we have prepared very well, and now 8th of Feb and 10th of Feb, sorry 9th of Feb, these 2 days are remaining. In these 2 days, strictly don't touch any new topic. Many of the students of my own coaching center, they are asking, for example, today one student asked, sir, should I prepare Laplace transformation or not? Because now last 2 days are remaining. So now what advice I should give? So because now understand, in these 2 days you cannot improve 90%, 80% in your preparation. No. But if you will be behind preparation of any new topic, that will consume completely 2 days and you will not reach anywhere, because only adding topic in your preparation is not a deal. You have to practice also. Because understand, whatever you have practiced till now, whatever you have prepared, so that preparation, how you have done, you have prepared, you have practiced, you have discussed a lot of doubts with me, you have taken topic by test series on that topic, and you have also tackled previous year questions and some questions based on that topic in your full length test series. Then the particular topic has come to the right track and you have confidence about that topic. This much you cannot do for any other topic in last 2 days. So right now you consider whatever has done, it's done. So what to do now? You have to go for 3 major revisions right now. When you are watching my video, if you are watching my video right now, I mean on 7th Feb, then 8th Feb and 9th Feb, what you will do? 8th Feb, 2 times complete revision. Complete revision means you start your master notebook. If you remember, I told you in the very beginning of our journey, you have to prepare 3 types of notebook. One is master notebook, where you will write everything. Whatever I am teaching you on screen, those things also, and whatever I am speaking in that also, if you find something useful, you have to write. So that was your master notebook. Formula, graph, everything is there in that notebook. And another one is your formula book. And third one was your doubt book. In that I told you to write down all the doubts what you are going to ask me during lecture or after lecture or whenever. So that doubt book is very, very important now. So now all the 3 you have to revise in complete revision 3 times. 2 revisions on 8th and 1 revision on 9th. That's all. Feel relaxed. Now some additional things you understand. Okay, one more thing for promotion purpose. My name is Vikas Kumar Srivastav. I have qualified GATE Aerospace exam 6 times. I am an IITian and I am running GATE Aerospace dedicated coaching center only for aerospace department, right? So GATE 2014 was my first batch and GATE 2024 is my current batch. Now you can share this video to those students who are willing to prepare for GATE Aerospace 2025 and onwards. They can be students from aeronautical or aerospace department, or they can be non-aero students also. They can be from electrical, CS, mechanical. But if they have interest in GATE Aerospace, they can join my coaching center. My WhatsApp number is 6380135260. I have a complete, properly designed syllabus for GATE Aerospace. I take live classes on Zoom app, and you can go to my YouTube channel and spend some time. You can see some sample videos are there. Okay. Now come to the point. When you are going for the exam hall, there don't enter into the exam hall before 1 hour or 40 minutes. No, don't stand in the queue in the very first, because if you will stand in the queue in the very first, then what will happen? You will enter to the exam hall before 40-45 minutes. I have done this mistake several times when I was attempting GATE exam regularly. So once what happened, I entered before 40-45 minutes. So see, before 40 minutes you cannot roam there, right? You have to sit. Now sitting there and then 40 minutes that time, and then 3 hours more time. Okay, so roughly 4 hours you have to sit there. So in the last half an hour, you may feel very much tired. That's why self-practice is very, very important. For many students I have seen, they are saying that they are not able to gain the focus for 3 hours during the test series. So anyway, this is not the strategy video, because whatever has happened now. Last 2 days, last message is, in the last 2 days, you cannot improve 80%, 90% in your preparation. So whatever you have done, very good. Now revise and then go ahead. Sleep well. If you are not able to sleep, then I think some people may advise you to have tea or coffee or something, but personally I was doing something. What I was doing, even I used to be the same, like night time. For every gate exam my situation was not same. Different times gate exam, I my personal life was very different. Even one gate exam was like I had some very serious situation at very personal level, and I was attending gate exam. So many of you may not be able to sleep properly. In that case, I will advise you have some energy drink like Red Bull or Monster or something, and but at room temperature, because if you will have chilled one, then you may go to washroom, restroom so many times because of the chilledness of the drink. So at room temperature, just purchase normal one and drink. So I do that. It's not like if you have some medical issue or something, you just take care of this. Some people take tea or coffee, whatever you feel better, you do it. Okay. Don't drink so much water in the morning, because morning we have exams. So 2-3 times no need to go to washroom, because if you will feel that, then you have to go and you will waste some 3 to 4 minutes. In that 3 to 4 minutes, you may get some better idea. Okay. So every minute of that 3 hours is very important. For many students, this gate exam is going to be their life changing gate exam, and many students are taking this gate exam just as like, okay, let's see what is gate exam. Okay, so students who are just taking this gate exam like, okay, let's see what is gate exam, and you have not prepared, then actually you cannot judge the gate exam. Who can judge the gate exam? Who has really prepared well, only they can judge the gate exam, that this gate exam was easy or tough or medium, or as compared to previous year, what was the level of this time question paper. Okay, so I'm talking about the GATE Aerospace only. And if you have seen reviews of aptitude questions or mathematics questions of previous like this year itself, before 1 week, many YouTube videos are there. Don't have any idea from those videos, because it's not like if some questions like if mechanical people are having this level of aptitude, same level of aptitude you will be having. No, there is no hard and fast rule which makes GATE exam similar of all the branches. No, remove that in your mind, that question paper is going to be very tough or very easy. These negative thoughts will not lead you anywhere. Preparation done. Where are we standing? Just remember, we are just about to enter our roll number to start our GATE preparation. You are there. Okay, so in these 2 days, only do a proper revision. Why proper revision? You know well. You have to check still which formula you are forgetting. Okay, still which formula you are forgetting. Okay, and I will also advise you, don't practice math or aptitude now. Okay, because when you will practice, you will take any one question, right? In that one question, you may spend, if that question will get stuck, you may spend some half an hour in that question. It is not advisable at all. I am telling you, 8th go for 2 revisions, 9th go for 1 revision. That's all done. Okay, and take list of some extra formulas. If you are not able to recall, write down and take that formula there also to your center. And see, some students will be taking all their material to the center. That will not work. This is GATE exam is a very great level exam. It is not exam like university exam, like, okay, in last moment you learned some derivation and the derivation will come for sure. You know, questions are not being repeated in GATE exam. Sometimes, very rarely, pattern will be repeated. Pattern, not the question. Very rarely. Okay. So be very comfortable. Whatever you have done, it's fine. Last 2 days, only go for grand revision. Okay. For your own convenient, if you feel time, you can have one full length test series also. Like, especially this video, I'm trying to say as per my pattern, what I am giving to my own students. Okay, many students, they could not complete all the test series. Roughly 275, 280 test series was there. I myself have forgot how many test series, 275 or 280 or something test series is there. So some, they could not complete all the test series also. Some students are lagging in topic wise. So don't worry, whatever you are lagging doesn't matter now. Okay. Now see, only focus on this part. If you are prepared 60%, that 60% should be your 100%. I hope you understand that. Suppose there is any problem, any question coming from velocity triangle of compressor, you should be able to solve that. Many students are still behind learning static stability in flight mechanics, and they are thinking that no, collect this also in these 2 days, prepare for 1 year. So avoid all those panic situations. Be comfortable. In these 2 days, you are not going to make big changes. Be very comfortable about this. Okay, that's all. This was my message, and be very confident about your preparation. Whatever you have done, that's all. You go there and see. No one can say that this topic will definitely come, this topic will not come. No one can say. Okay, it is just a bluff that okay, this topic will come, that topic will come. Some people ask, sir, tell me expected portion in aircraft structure. Expected portion. If I will say that these are the expected portion, then from my side that will be expected, but from your side you will take that for granted. I know the psychology. So avoid all these things. Whatever is there in your notes, just revise and go. Big best of luck to my students, and big best of luck to all the students, whoever is following my videos, whoever has come this much long for 1 year, 2 years and all. So this GATE exam will definitely take you to your dream IIT. It may be IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur. Maybe for some students it can be IIT Dharwad also. Okay. So immediately after GATE exam, I will upload the review and the question paper, and those things I will discuss after exam. And I will also say you to share all these videos, whatever is there on my YouTube, to your seniors or your juniors, whoever are willing to prepare for GATE aerospace exam. Okay, so best of luck, guys. I hope you all will change your life after this GATE exam. Thank you so much.